Hi and welcome to this Blueprint Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at EURAUD and look at the potential downtrend forming. So we can see here that the market is in a potential downtrend, and the reason why we think that is because the market has moved lower, pulled back and formed a lower low. So if the market is doing that, then what we would usually look for is price to come back into the previous structure area, find resistance and continue its downtrend. Now you can see here at the moment on this monthly time frame that price has formed an indecisive candle at the previous structure lows, suggesting that there may be an opportunity to sell this market. Now the way that forms is by looking at the daily time frame and looking at the trend within that, because what we look for in particular is when the market is in that impulse phase, we look for the market on the daily time frame to form lower lows and lower highs. And if I just zoom out, you can see here that when price forms that move to the downside, we get the lower low, lower high patterns, okay, until that significantly changes where we had a breakout of this zone in here, and then we started looking for those reversal opportunities. Well, if we look at what price is doing right now and just zoom in, we can see that we've had that change in trend pattern again. The market rallied significantly, it came back down, it pulled back, it then made a lower low pattern. So what we need to look for here on EURAUD now is those downtrend opportunities, and we need to identify where we could form a lower high for opportunities to the downside, because now price is back in at this support, we may anticipate a bit of a retracement phase to form, maybe a pullback into these previous structures here, and if price does pull back into this zone, this could be the area we could look for those downtrends and opportunities. So if price comes up into around about 1.61 or 1.6170, we've got quite a big range there. Price comes into this area, starts forming bearish price action, we could look for the continuation of this monthly impulse phase on the daily time frame lower highs. So keep an eye for that there. Obviously as well, you can check out the 4-hour time frame as well, because what we would see in a 4-hour or a daily impulse phase is the 4-hour downtrend. Like you can see here, the market started to form lower highs and lower lows. Now if that's going to change, if we see price form a higher low, higher high pattern, and we see something like this forming, then we know we're in that daily retracement phase. Once we get to this zone, if we form a double top pattern or a change in trend pattern like the head and shoulders or something like that, then we can start looking for opportunities to get short. So keep an eye on Euro Aussie. I think we could see a retracement phase back into this zone. You could trade the retracement phase, but be aware that you are trading against the trend, which is a difficult thing to do. So keep your risk low if you are going to trade that counter trend. However, if price gets to 161, starts to form some bearish price action, look for the overall market trend to continue. Thanks for watching this video update. If you did like it, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to look at our other Forex content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.